Myself Kritika, grade 3, St. Philomena's High School, Chandapura branch. States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizavi, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, West Bengal, Kolkata.
9 Union Territories.
9 Union Territories: Andaman and Nicobar Island, Port Play, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa, Daman and Diu, Darman, Delhi, New Delhi, Lakshadweep, Kavaratti, Pondicherry, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, Ladakh, Leh.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Gulzarilal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Inder Kumar Gujral, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
7 continents.
7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans.
5 oceans: Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Solar system.
8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalaki. 6 ಋತುಗಳು: ವಸಂತ ಋತು, ಗ್ರೀಷ್ಮ ಋತು, ವರ್ಷ ಋತು, ಶರತ್ ಋತು, ಹೇಮಂತ ಋತು, ಶಿಶಿರ ಋತು. 12 ಮಾಸಗಳು: ಚೈತ್ರ, ವೈಶಾಖ, ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ, ಆಷಾಢ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಭಾದ್ರಪದ, ಆಶ್ವೀಜ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ, ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ, ಪುಷ್ಯ, ಮಾಘ, ಫಾಲ್ಗುಣ.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Index, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamira-Bharani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
7 wonders of India.
7 wonders of India: Golden Temple in Punjab, Gomateswara statue in Karnataka, Nalanda University in Bihar, Konark Sun Temple in Odisha, Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh, Taj Mahal in Delhi, Hampi Temple in Karnataka.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
National festivals of India.
National festivals of India: January 26, Republic Day; August 15, Independence Day; October 2, Gandhi Jayanti; November 14th, Children's Day; September 5, Teachers Day.
Main agricultural products of India.
Main agriculture in of India: rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee.
Borders of India.
Borders of India: North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea. Largest state: Rajasthan. Smallest state: Goa.
The Constitution of India.
The Constitution of India: Preamble: We the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly this 26th day of November 1949 do hereby enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: rights to equality, rights to freedom, right against exploitation, rights to freedom of religious, cultural and educational rights, rights to constitutional remedies.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: there are 22 official languages: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Days of the week.
Days of the week: there are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Months of the year.
Months of the year: there are 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Thank you.